Hi guys, we are back for another video and I hope you are all doing well. And then this is a question that I just solved and I want to teach about that. How to change from a base other than 10 to a desired base. In this question you have 212 in base 3 change into base 2. So how do I do that? If you have been watching my previous video, you realize that I've actually taught how to change from base 10 to base 2. Okay, but in this question is different. You are having a different base, which is base 3 to base 2, so you cannot use the same procedure. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I am asked to change. Okay, I'm asked to change 2 1 2 to base 3 to base 2, sorry. Okay, so what I'm going to do first, the first step you have to do is to change from what is given to you, the base given to you, to base 10. That when you do that, it will be quite easier for you if you look at my previous video. So let's change. So change from base 3 to 10. Okay, so how do you do that? Okay, then this is what you are supposed to do. You are supposed to know how to expand a number, the expanded form of a number in its original base. So for example, if I'm asking, so this is an example, I'm in base 3, right? But I'm going to use a question in base 10. So let's assume I'm asking you to change 1 2 5 in expanded form. I think we've all done it in high school, but let's just go through it. Okay, sorry for the camera. So you are supposed to change 125 in the expanded form. So you need to multiply each digit with a power of 10 corresponding to its place value. So you can see that the place value of 5 is a 1, and 2 is a tens, and 1 is a 100. So if I'm writing it in expanded form, knowing that it is in base 10, I will say it is 5. So this will be the same thing as 5 times 10 raised to the power 0. Okay, plus 2 10 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 10 raised to the power of what? 2. So I will get 5 times 1. Okay, so 5 plus 20 plus 100. Okay, so at the end of the day, 125. So I just wrote the same number, okay, the same number in expanded form. So this is the basic idea I'm going to use for changing this in base 10. So in this question, I am changing this in base 10. So I'm going to use the expanded form. Okay, so here I'm in base 3. So then 212 3 in base 10, I will just change it in expanded form using its base. So here I'll write 2, so this one, this place, 2 times 3, 0, raised to the power 0, okay, because this is a ones in base 3, plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of 1, plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Okay, so in base 10, this is what I'll get. I'll get 2 plus 3 plus 2 times 9, I'm getting 18. Okay, so what do I get at the end? I'm getting 23. So 212 base 3 in base 10 is 23. So now, knowing what I'm having in base 3, sorry, in base 10, I can now change 23 in base 2, following what I've taught in my previous video. So in case you don't get that part, go to my videos, you will see. So 23 in base 2. Okay, so then I will now divide, make sure that I get 0 at the quotient and then read top down. Anyhow, you go back to my next video, you understand, for those who don't get what I'm doing. So I'm going to divide 23 by 2, which I taught that 2. Okay, so I'm getting 11. So I'll get 22 1. Then I'm dividing this. I'll make sure that I will divide till the top, the quotient is 0. So 11 2, so I get 5. Okay, So I'm getting 10, 1, 5, 2, 2, 4, 1, okay, and then 2, okay. This comes down. I'm getting 1, so I'm getting 2, I'm getting 0, and this I think will be the last 1, 2. How many times? 0, okay, so 0, 1, okay. So I just did it. So as I explained, I'm going to read all my remainders, okay. My remainders, top down. So this is how I'm going to read it. So my first remainder here was 1, my second one 0, third one 1, fourth one 1, 1. So base 2. So this means that the number 212 in base 3, this is his answer in base 2. Let's check in the proposed answers if we will get that. Yep, we've got it. So here we are having 1 0 1 1 1. So we are having here 1 0 1 1. So the answer is B. So I hope we all got it. And in case you have a question, please just write a comment below and then a thumbs up for your girl to encourage. Let's see in the next video. Bye.